Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is yield. It is pronounced ye-ild and spelt Y-I-E-L-D. Think field, but starting with a Y. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now back to today's word. Yield is a verb that means to produce or provide a result or outcome. It can also mean to give way or surrender, or to give permission for something to happen. For example, you could say, the experiment yielded excellent results, or the traffic yielded to make way for the emergency vehicles. The word yield comes from the Old English word gelden, which means to give way or give up. It is often used in various contexts such as farming, traffic, and negotiations. See the connection? In the show Peppa Pig, the characters often learn about the importance of yielding or giving way to others, particularly in situations of sharing or taking turns. Through simple and relatable scenarios, the show teaches young viewers about cooperation and consideration for others. Synonyms for yield are produce, provide, give way, and surrender. Antonyms for yield include resist, oppose, and hold back. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Yield. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.